Hello viewers, welcome to this craft tutorial on making a charming paper basket. This versatile creation can be used for storage kits and as a decorative centerpiece. Lay out all your materials on a clean flat surface. Ensure you have a variety of colored or patterned paper for a vibrant result. Take your colored paper and measure and cut strips approximately 1 inch wide. These will be used for weaving the base and sides of the basket. Take 4 strips of paper and arrange them in a criss cross pattern to create the base of the basket. Secure the intersection with glue or double-sided tape. Take your additional strips of paper and wave them around the edges of the basket. Start by folding them over the edge and securing them in place. Continue waving and until you reach the desired height. Cut two longer strips of paper and attach them into opposite sides of the basket to serve as handles. Reinforce them with additional strips if needed. Trim any excess paper from the top edge to create an even rim of the basket. If desired, add decorative elements such as ribbon, bows, or paper flowers to embellish your creation. Let the glue or tape dry completely before using a displaying your paper basket. Congratulations, you have successfully created a charming paper basket. Whether for storage or decoration, your handmade creation is sure to add a touch of crafty fairy to any spaces. These are creations are very useful for you. Now its making is very easy. In the art of paper craft with this delightful die basket project crafted by hand, it involves the intricate techniques of weaving paper strips to create a charming and functional piece. This craft tutorial guides you through the process of the turning simple materials into a creative project like this home decor. The end result storage solution is that to artistry and utility for the basic craft materials. In this, with craft applies that at hand.